Okay, so now we're going to the next step of preparing our work to be printed. So in the previous video, we set up our units so that we knew what units we were in. In my case, it is inches. You either want to be in inches or millimeters for this printer. Um, and I set this up, and then we went over the measuring, and we can see that I have actually two sizes because I wanted to show you how the version of doing it, setting it, when we click on the tool, click here, and change the numbers, um, and then when we scale it, and scale it in the proportionately. Okay. So with that taken care of, let's go into our export as an STL file. So we can't send the printer a MB file. We have to send them an STL file. And before I begin that, I'm going to just hit save because I've done quite a bit of work and I want to make sure everything gets saved. But now I want to get ready to export it as an STL. Maya can export as an STL, but we have to import the STL format. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Windows. We're going to go to Setting Preferences and Preferences. So I'm going to click and hold so you can see that. Oh, I'm sorry, we're not going to Preferences. I apologize. We're going to Plugin Manager. So we're going to Windows, Setting Preferences, and Plugin Manager. Once we go there, I'm going to go to the top search and type in STL. Okay. And when I do that, we see how the STL translator bundle comes up, and mine are checked because I checked these. You need to check yours. You want to load it, check, and then the auto load, check. Once you do that, you want to hit refresh. Okay. So it's very important that you hit refresh. Now, once you do that, you want to make sure that you have selected an object. Okay, you don't want to just click here. You need to click on an object because I'm going to export these two separately and two separate documents. So I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Export Selection and click on that window. Okay, once I've clicked on that window, I'm going to type in, I would recommend typing in your first name and your last name. 3D print, and I'm gonna write triangulate or try, so I know that that one is the triangulated one, and I can see that I have an STL file. Okay, and I'm gonna go export. Okay, so now that file is now exported. I'm going to click on the other file, the other robot that I did not triangulate, and I'm going to come back onto File, go to Export Select, and my window shows STL because I've already clicked on it. You might have to click on Files by Type and scroll down until you see STL. Okay? But you will see it. And you'll select it. And again, I'm going to put my name, my first and last name, and I'm going to do an underscore 3D print and another and that's it. I don't have to put triangulate because this one's not triangulated. So that way I have two versions exported, okay, so that I can send those to the printer. All right. I want to do another video that shows you how to send your files to the printer. Okay, I'll see you there.